Dan is over here rigging our dragon fruit. And then over here we have the prickly pear. We're gonna be doing a lot of what we're calling sustainable gardening. Sustainable gardening is usually like gardening where you are maintaining your environment. So that's like being cognizant of your carbon footprint and all that stuff. So that's usually what like sustainable gardening is. When we say sustainable gardening, we're talking more about being able to eat off of the land that we are tilling.
But we are gonna try to make it sustainable because like this, which I'm fighting to see if I'm gonna plant. If I can't save it, I'm gonna make it into compost to put back in there.
This started out as literally like a piece.
Maybe
This will be about that. One of my coworkers gave me a piece, and that's what that one came from. This actually came from
this come from
an Airbnb.
West Coast.
An Airbnb.
A little tiny.
Trust me, a little tiny little thing that Dan picked up. Where was that? Treasure Island? Oh, I don't think that was Treasure Island. Myrtle Beach, maybe one of those trips. And
was laughing at me about.
And look how big it is. So this one is a prickly pear again. This one is dragon fruit. And then this one, I think Emily got me that one as well. I don't know that cactus. I don't know if that one bears fruit, but yeah.
You said it was something.
It was something, right? Yeah, I don't remember. But this is the root system of it.
It was
so it looks dry.
So.
It looks dry compared to that. But this is how she gave it to me. It looked like that. So it will take, it's gonna need some time.
See how them take? Even this was sitting on the other side and started to grow roots on both sides. Those plants are survivalists, so they will do what they gotta do.
Yes.
Like I said, I'm not sure.
We're gonna try to save it.
We can save, it's just I don't know if I have the pot for it, space now.
Because this is looking kinda, ooh. We're gonna try hold on to that. All right, we'll continue to update you guys on our sustainable gardening. Again, we are trying to feed mouths in this house as well as the community, which is literally just our neighbors and stuff like that.